Plan to attend Minter Fab Going Show, sponsored by Cascade Licensing, September 28th at Lower Natchez Community Park.
Not a detailer by any means, but this paint comes back pretty good. Go over it a couple times here with a coarse foam. And then we'll work our way up into a polish. Like I said, I'm sure I'm not doing this 100% the right way, but the color comes back, that's for sure. I've done it on a couple trucks now, and we've done a lot of this truck. It's just kind of the box, and then that door you just saw me do. So, get a couple reps of this on here, and polish it up, see what it looks like. Paint on this tailgate is not great, but it definitely gives it a cool effect. I mean, it's super shiny now, and it's not even like final polish. That's still like a medium disc on that. So, but you can hear it. Listen to the definitely a difference. Let's keep polishing. All right, guys, so started on the back fenders here. This is by far the worst part of the truck. So this has not been done. This has been gone over once, and then this is 3 times. You can definitely see the difference. That kind of just dulls the oxidation, and then you can really see it right here, and like you can feel it and hear it. But the sides of the bed are coming out nice. Look at that metallic, look at that. Woo! So cool. And like I said, this is not polished yet, this is just cut. I did this bed corner here, all into this, and then out and around the corner here. So I'm actually out of compound, so gonna have to go get some. Jump in the old Chevy here, rip down and grab some. I got a buddy stopping by here in a little bit. So I'll go get some of that. We're just kind of picking away at stuff today. We might get a little bit more done tomorrow on the underside. I did work on it yesterday. No real video on that. I don't know what we did actually, to be honest with you. We got shifters in now, so it moves. What else did we do? New coils put back in there. It's got water in it, all that stuff now. Changed out the rear springs. It had 140-pound springs on the coilovers in the back. We went 220s. It sits way better now. I am waiting for front wheels. I ordered them wrong. I thought we had enough room, but I don't like it. We could pick the front up just a hair, but I don't want to. I kind of like the stance showing about half the tire. That's how the back sits too. So pull the front tires in just a little bit so they match my Chevy a little better. You know, they kind of look like that. All the hubcaps are on. I got all those done yesterday. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Yeah, all 4 hubcaps now. I had to take that door off, obviously, to polish it, but when I did, we found out it wasn't actually latching because it wasn't adjusted right, so we got that to fix. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep picking away, guys, so we'll get back to polishing here in a bit. All right, guys, looks like I went to war with a blue Smurf, and I did. I think I won. It's just cut. I haven't polished any of it yet, but it looks way better. This fender was pretty bad. This one kicked my butt. I probably went over this fender 6 or 7 times before it even started to shine. So, a little clean off there still, but yeah. Coming along, coming along, coming along. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. She's all wiped down. Well, for the most part. Gonna go back over it again, wipe it all down, and get on to polishing probably. Don't know when I'm gonna get it done if I don't do it today. So we've got to get a bunch of stuff ready for the car show coming up. Starting to get on that here. We got to get trophies built. I build all my own trophies for these instead of buying them. It's kind of cooler, I guess. You're not going to get something you've gotten from someone else before, just head on the shelf and never look at it again. So kind of make a little piece of art out of a piston or something, I think is what we did last year. I built some guys or some faces out of some pistons. I think that's what I'm going to do this year for trophies, kind of make them a little different from last year. So yeah, get on that. I got to get some work done on the Bronco before then because we're taking that on the drive. That little Bronco needs to go on the drive or at least be at the show. Same with this. It probably won't get driven. I think Kevin will take his Fairlane, but yeah, enough yakking. I'm gonna get back at it. Well, guys, came up here to get a better view of the truck, a little different angle, got it all polished. Didn't figure you really wanted to watch me go back over it and do the same thing again. So there it is in all its glory. It does look pretty good for what I think is arguably the ugliest truck Ford ever made. I'm sure I'm gonna catch some flack for that, but it's all right, my opinion, and everyone has them. Some just stink worse than others. Anyway, guys, just thought I'd show you what we did with that thing today. Like I said, still lots to come, but it's getting better. So until next time, guys, keep building awesome stuff. Later.